Hello my students, our lesson today is about isotopes. Our objectives: first, define isotopes, then calculate the number of neutrons in different atoms, then specify the heaviest isotope. Most elements have two or more isotopes. But what is the meaning of isotopes? Let's give an example. For example, hydrogen atom has different isotopes such as hydrogen 1, 1, hydrogen 1, 2, and hydrogen 1, 3. 1 is the atomic number, while the mass number of the first hydrogen atom is 1, the mass number of the second hydrogen is 2, and the mass number of the third hydrogen is 3. Okay, what is the common between these atoms? First, they are atoms of the same element, which is hydrogen. Also, they have the same atomic number Z. All these atoms have Z equals to 1. But they have different mass numbers. The first hydrogen atom has a mass number equals to 1, while the second hydrogen 2, while the third hydrogen has a mass number equals to 3. Therefore, isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number Z but different mass number A. This means that they have also different number of neutrons, since the number of neutrons equal A minus Z. Again, isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number Z but different mass number A. Exercise. We have two carbon isotopes that have the respective atomic symbols given below. Remark: note that the heaviest isotope is the one that has the largest number of neutrons in its nucleus. Part 1. Give the values of the atomic number Z and the mass number A of each atom. Part 2. Determine the number of subatomic particles or the composition of each atom. 3. Deduce the meaning of the isotope or the term isotopes. 4. Based on the remark, specify the heaviest carbon isotope. Let's see the answers. First, in the first carbon, the atomic number Z equal to 6, while the mass number equal 12. While in the second carbon atom, also Z equals 6, but the mass number equals to 14. The second part, in the first carbon atom, the number of protons equal the number of electrons equal Z, which is equal to 6, since we have a neutral atom, while the number of neutrons equal A minus Z. 12 minus 6 equal to 6. In the second carbon atom, also the number of protons equal the number of electrons equal Z equal to 6, while the number of neutrons in this case equal to 8. The third part, we can deduce the term or the meaning of the term isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element, in this case carbon, that have the same atomic number, in this case Z equals 6, but they have different number of neutrons. The first carbon has n equals 6, the second has n equal 8. Part 4. The number of neutrons in the first or in the second carbon atom is unequal 8, which is greater than the number of neutrons in the first carbon. Then carbon having the mass number 14 is the heaviest isotope since it has the greater number of neutrons.